guys, it's Ree. I am super excited today because I'm getting my computer parts tomorrow, and I bought the OS for the computer, so by tomorrow I should have my computer built, like tomorrow evening, because I don't work a super long shift tomorrow. So I'll be able to work on it some in the morning and some in the evening, so I'm super excited. I got my keyboard already. I went to Best Buy and I bought one yesterday. It's a little bit more expensive than I thought it was gonna be, because like online it was a lot less, but it was supposed to ship to the store. I don't know, it was weird. I ended up spending like $3 more than I would have, plus I used a $15 gift card, but whatever. I'm super excited. I'm just nervous at the same time because I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess it up, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just getting in my car. Sorry, a little bit shaky here. Just getting in my car, and I just clocked out of work. Just got in my car, and I check and I receive a delivery notification that... Damn it, this thing! Delivery notification that my package is at my house, and it's going to rain. And right where my door is where the little shingles drop off, and they're gonna get wet. So help me if it gets wet. I'm gonna hurt somebody. Let's go. I just want to point out how dark the sky is right now. It's ridiculous, and I'm concerned because I don't want to get hit with the rain and my poor baby at home. I've made it home. It's not raining yet, thankfully, and hopefully it didn't rain any before I got home. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it started to sprinkle a little bit, just a little tiny bit. And I'm super excited. Hopefully it's actually on the doorstop, and it is not wet. It's not in the office. Downstairs. Oh, it's there. I can see it. It's wonderful. Oh, I got it. Guys, I got it. It's here. So I'm taking the dog outside to go to the bathroom, and it's just starting to rain. I got home in the nick of time. Are there any? No raindrops on my glasses yet. I was so afraid. It's rain on my face. Probably on my phone too. Can you see? Oh, I can see it on my phone screen. It bothers me that there's rain on my phone. I don't like it. I don't even have my phone in a protective waterproof case. So it's not like pouring yet though, so we should be fine for the moment. So we'll see. If the dog would go poop. So I already started installing some of the components. I've got the power supply already in. I've got my CD drive. It's a DVD CD burner. My blue WD hard drive, which is where I'm going to be putting all the actual games and stuff on it. I actually might take, I think, if you can even see it, hold on, I don't know if you'll be able to, there's a mounting tray here, I think I unfocused it. There's a couple of mounting screws here, and this tray, these two here, I think can come out, so I might take those two trays out and drop them a little bit farther down into like these two towards the bottom, so that way this frees up more space for the motherboard. I don't think I'm gonna have any problem with that. Hopefully all goes well. Of course, watch now, because I'm trying to build this and I want to power it on. I like the feel of these, sorry. Because I want to power it on and actually like set up the iOS and everything for it.
I'm not going to be able to because of storm. I'm not going to be able to plug it in. So we'll see how this goes. I wish I had a box cutter. I feel like these little strings, like you should be able to pull them and they'd be a heck of a lot easier to loosen that, but no. Yes, there we go. Oh, here comes the shining moment. My favorites. Packaging bubbles. Just what I ordered. Put those aside. And I got the Qatar mouse from Corsair Gaming just because I didn't really want anything too fancy. It's got like, yeah, 4 programmable clickable buttons, as it says on the back there, which I don't really care. I just thought it was simple, and that was literally all I wanted. The keyboard I got, on the other hand, I'll have to show you guys here in a minute. The keyboard I got is also by Corsair, and it's gorgeous. I'm so excited for my keyboard. I probably shouldn't have spent so much money as I did, but I did spend a lot because I'm going to be using it a lot. And now for the piece de la resistance. I got... Oh, look at this beauty. Oh, yes. Lots of yes. Oh, baby, I have waited for you for so long. Shh. Shh. Don't speak.
Free pets for the Doge. It's my free pets for the Doge. Okay, Doge.
So my actual camera, lovely little thing, my actual camera just died. So I'm trying to make a video. This is how my life goes. I'm gonna have to fashion some finagled way to be able to make sure that I can do this, because I could always try and set this up here. We'll see how this goes. My phone is literally propped up on the PS4 Witcher 3 video game case, my Nintendo DS, and a clothing line clip. That's what my phone is propped up on right now. So hopefully we'll be able to get this content. It's riveting content here. Use your guide, because I don't know what I'm doing. It's on. There's a little light down here. It's making noise. There's a blue light on front. It's beautiful. I'm sitting here waiting for Windows 10 to install, and it just feels, I don't know, it feels weird. Because the last time I installed anything Windows based, I was like 8 years old. I don't know, you could probably hear the fan of the computer. Actually, it's not even the fan, it's the disk drive of the computer right now. It's going like crazy. Right now, Windows is getting files ready for installation at 29%. So, we'll see how fast this goes. I'm excited though. I just want to stay up all night and play it. It's almost midnight. Almost midnight. And I don't want to work tomorrow. I work 1 to close tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sorry. I've suddenly acquired the hiccups for some reason. I don't know why.